Which country is opening more doors in 2026? Immigration policies change fast. Let's see what 2026 looks like for Canada versus Australia. 2026 brings big changes for skilled migrants. Growing demand worldwide is pushing countries to update immigration policies. Canada's express entry system is getting an overhaul for 2026, updating how candidates are selected. Age and language requirements will play a bigger role. Check if your profile matches the new selection points. Category-based draws are expanding. Healthcare workers and tech professionals may see more tailored invitations to apply. More targeted invitations aim to connect skilled workers with specific Canadian economic needs in 2026. Australia is focusing on regional visas. Skilled migrants are encouraged to settle in areas outside big cities. Regional employers have new incentives to recruit internationally, aiming to fill persistent labor shortages. Visa programs highlight regions like South Australia and Tasmania. Longer visa validity and permanent residency pathways are included. Migrants choosing regional paths benefit from community support and faster routes to permanent residency by 2026. Healthcare is top priority. Both countries need doctors and nurses, but Canada's healthcare draws are especially active for 2026. Tech professionals are in demand everywhere. Australia's regional hubs and Canada's cities offer growing opportunities for IT talent. Skilled trades like electricians and plumbers are vital, with Australia's regional visas offering clear pathways for these experts. Engineers remain essential in both nations, but Canada's new immigration updates give extra points to STEM professionals. Immigration policies are always evolving. Follow for the latest insights to guide your journey towards Canada or Australia in 2026.